One detail that's easy to miss here is that officers weren't rushing to arrest him. You can actually hear them discussing whether they had enough information to confirm a crime had been committed. For a while, they were simply trying to keep the situation under control and figure out exactly what they were dealing with.
I want to see a doctor. I want to see a doctor.
He's not hurting nobody
No,
right now.
doctor's my lawyer. I want to see a doctor.
At first, this looked like a routine call. Several people reported a man carrying a large kitchen knife near a transit station. According to witnesses, he had been swinging the knife at pedestrians and acting erratically.
LA City 911, operator 937.
I need police to First and Soto for a man with a knife.
Okay. What kind of knife?
It's about a foot-long kitchen knife. He was swinging it at someone. I'm armed security. I drew down on him. He's at First and Soto at the transit station.
Is he at the
I need you guys to stay by the bank. Yeah, he's at First and Soto.
Which bank, sir?
Chase Bank.
Does he look black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Hispanic. He's got a black hat, brown shirt, denim shorts. He's kneeling down by the escalators.
Oh, Mac Units, ADW suspect there now. First and Soto at the Chase Bank. Suspect is male, Hispanic, wearing a black hat, brown shirt, blue jean shorts, armed with a foot-long kitchen knife, was swinging at peds. He's now next to the escalators leading the Gold Line Station. Code 3 incident 1082 RD 464.
By the time officers arrived, the man had already made his way into the train station. They eventually found him inside one of the rail cars. Something immediately stood out. The knife was gone. Instead, officers found a man who appeared confused, emotional, and injured.
I need everybody to get off the train.
Wait!
Hold on.
No!
Hey, everybody get off the train.
Tell them to stop!
Let's go out, sir. Come this way.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Lucifer!
We'll see you right now.
Hey! No, please! Calm down! Oh my God! Why did you do that?
There's no knife, bro. There's no knife here. Hey, get off the train.
Oh my God! It's not a knife! She started with me!
Alright, just relax. Relax, alright?
He got an injury.
Hey, let's figure out what we got. Hold on. Okay. There's a large metal object in the backpack. Hey, can we talk to you? Put down the backpack. Put down the backpack, sir.
Oh my God, you're going to shoot me!
No, we're not.
Stop!
Look. Hey, this is what. Hold on. This is what we're gonna do. No, we need someone up there with the victim. This is what we're gonna do. Now that he's off. Hey, hold on. Just keep eyes on him. You guys can meet with the victim, Aldo. Look. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cross this way. If he starts to move, just let him go. We don't have a crime right now. If we can detain him, we'll detain him. If not, hey, just let it be. We don't have a crime until we verify it, all right? If he's off the metro station, whatever.
We got guns out!
Can you come out now?
We got guns out! No! You gotta put those guns away! Please don't leave me on the street!
Hey, sir, look.
Please don't leave me on the street!
Hey, cut him off right there.
No! Please! No!
That's what I was trying to avoid. Here, come in the train with me. Hey, sir. Hey. We just want to talk to you, man. Hey, you're not in any trouble, dude.
Oh my God.
Hey, sir. Sir.
Oh my God.
Hey, sir. Can we talk to you? You're not in any trouble.
I need you to stay calm right now.
Please.
Listen.
No, hold on.
No.
As they spoke with him, they noticed blood coming from his wrist. This is one of those moments where the situation isn't as straightforward as the original 911 call made it sound. Officers had been dispatched to find an armed suspect, But when they finally located him, they weren't looking at a man actively threatening people with a knife. They were looking at someone who appeared to be in crisis.
I know.
Listen, Bird. Okay. Listen.
Hey, can we just talk to you? What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
I'm not supposed to get in trouble.
Okay, you're not in trouble. We just need you off the train.
No, I'm on the way going to some. And she started with me.
We can either do this the easy way or the hard
Can
way.
you?
Can we just talk to you?
I cannot because you won't let me go.
Let's just stand up, all right?
I didn't do anything.
You're not in trouble.
For several minutes, officers tried talking to him. They repeatedly asked him to step off the train and attempted to figure out what had happened before they arrived. The man seemed confused and often gave responses that didn't make much sense. At one point, he asked for the FBI. A few moments later, he demanded to see a doctor. Then he started talking about lawyers.
Just stand up.
Let me get up.
Okay, stand up.
My arm is bothering me.
Stand up.
I'm trying to get up.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you let me go?
Stand up.
Let go of the backpack.
No.
Just stand up.
No.
Stand up.
I want to talk to FBI.
Stand up.
I want FBI and a doctor.
Sir, can you just
No, I
stand
want
up?
to see a doctor. PhD, I need to see a doctor.
Just make sure that
I want to see a doctor.
Verify
He
the
overrides you. I want to see a doctor. I want to see a doctor.
He's not hurting nobody
No,
right now.
doctor's my lawyer. I want to see a
Okay.
doctor.
We just want to make sure you don't want to hurt yourself.
I want to see a doctor. They're my lawyer.
The conversation kept going in circles. Meanwhile, officers were still trying to determine whether the original assault had actually happened. One detail that's easy to miss here is that officers weren't rushing to arrest him. You can actually hear them discussing whether they had enough information to confirm a crime had been committed. For a while, they were simply trying to keep the situation under control and figure out exactly what they were dealing with.
I'm trying to get good. No! I want to see my doctor. I'm not doing anything. No! No! You cannot do that.
Eventually, officers determined they had enough information to take him into custody. But as they moved in to arrest him, he resisted. What followed was a lengthy struggle inside the train.
Stop. You can't do that. No! No! You can't do that. I didn't get smart or nothing. No, you cannot do that. You can't do it. Stop! What are you doing? Stop!
Relax.
I have nothing.
Relax.
I have nothing. Out!
Let go of the
Stop!
Relax.
Stop! Stop! What are you doing? You're not supposed to hurt me.
Relax. Oh, hey.
Stop!
I got this one.
No!
The man repeatedly pulled away, refused commands, and continued fighting officers as they tried to place him in handcuffs. Eventually, officers were able to restrain him and escort him out of the station.
Get them off me!
Help one.
Get them off! I have no choice but get them off!
I got it.
Get them off! No! Stop!
Got him.
No!
You're fine.
Stop! I want to see my
Relax.
doctor! Nothing on me!
That's it, you're good.
One of the officers
It's
will
a
give you one additional charge, bro.
It's a safety plan!
Come on, can you relax, man?
Chill.
No, he's fine. He's fine.
Afterward, he was transported to a hospital, where he was evaluated and medically cleared before being taken to jail. At that point, the incident appeared to be over. The suspect was alive. He was talking. He was walking under his own power, and according to police, he had already been examined by medical staff. But as officers prepared to transport him, something stood out. Throughout the encounter, he had been asking for a doctor and insisting that he hadn't done anything wrong. But once he realized he was actually going to jail, his focus seemed to change. He repeatedly told officers the same thing. "I can't go to jail." Again and again, he said it. "I can't go to jail."
Relax.
Get off of me!
Relax.
Listen, get off of me!
I think good victim I needed to.
Are you coming?
Go where? No, I can't go to jail.
Relax. This is where we're going. We're staying right here.
I have places to go.
Let's go.
No, I have freaking ex-weapons right here.
That car right there, bro.
But I can't get in no car. I can't go to jail.
This one over here. Talk to that one right there.
You know I cannot go there. I need to go home. No, I can't go.
At the time, this probably sounded like something officers hear all the time from people being arrested. But knowing how this story ends, those words are hard to ignore.
Why would you do this?
Are you clear?
Listen, get me out of this now! You can't let me go in there! No.
Cool. You good? Good, bro. You? All right. Thanks for the help, guys. Yeah, bro.
After being booked into jail, he was placed in a holding cell. Several days passed. Then jail staff noticed something was wrong. During a welfare check, they found him unconscious and not breathing. Medical personnel immediately began life-saving efforts while paramedics responded to the facility. He was rushed to a hospital and placed on life support, but despite those efforts, he never recovered. A few days later, he was pronounced dead. Because the death occurred while he was in police custody, a formal investigation was automatically launched. And that's the question investigators are now trying to answer. What exactly happened between the arrest and the moment he was found unresponsive inside his cell?
I can't go to jail!
Relax. This is where we're going. We're staying right here.
I have places to go!
Let's go.
No!